Hi, my name is Schena from Account Central Services. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use AI to assist in reconciling a supplier statement that has multiple lines. So I'll share my screen first. Okay, so I'm in Xero Demonstration Company and I'll bring up my demo statement. This is a statement that's based on a real life example, but I've just anonymized it, called it the suppliers called demo company, and here's all the statement lines. The balance owing is 139,496.47. And if we go into Xero purchases, go to bills, go to awaiting payment, and then filter by typing in part of the supplier name. That filters out all the invoices, and as you can see, we've got a statement balance of 130,000, which is around $8,000 to $9,000 difference. So rather than ticking each of these off one by one, what we're going to do is use AI to check that for us. This one's only got about 20 or 30 items there, which you could probably do in about 5 minutes or so. If you have a supplier that's 3 or 4 pages, perhaps there's 200 items on there, then that's where you'll get a really big time saving. So first thing we need to do is export out all the purchases from this supplier. So if we go to purchases and then to bills and then to all, type in a filter of the company name. So in this case, it's demo company. Then we're going to click on the 3 dots here and export the bills. Click on export. And what that will do is it'll create a CSV file of all the bills in Xero for this supplier. In that, I did forget to put in a date range. In this case, it's only 113. The maximum you can do is 500. So what I would normally do is put in a date that's a little bit before the oldest invoice date. So perhaps put in the 1st of April into this field here. And that will filter out any invoices that are older than that. So we've got the CSV file, we've got the demo file. We're going to go to, today I'm using Copilot. I'm going to drop and drag the bills CSV file and the demo statement into Copilot, and then I'm going to give it an instruction. Please check that all the invoices and credits on the PDF statement are in the CSV file. Also check for any amount mismatches. All right, so while it's checking to see which ones are missing, which invoices and credits that we are missing, I'm also going to get it to check that all our data entry has been accurate. So it's going to check the dollar values of each purchase and credit against the statement to ensure all the data is accurate. So it's done that in about 5-10 seconds, and it's come back and it's said that these 3 items here are missing. So let's just copy those into Excel. Okay, I'll just make this a little bit wider, and I'm going to add those up. Okay, so we've got a total here of 8588.44, and that's what's on the PDF statement that's not in Xero. So if we just reconcile those 2 amounts now, the statement value is 139, so the statement, and Xero. If we go over to Xero, And then we'll grab this value here, put that into that field, and if we deduct one from the other, we get a difference of 8588, which is exactly the same amount as what it's picked up as being missing. So the difference between the Xero purchases and the statement is 8,588, and that's made up of these three items here. So what I'm going to do is I would copy and paste that into an email to the supplier, requesting those 2 credits and 1 invoice from the supplier. And once that comes back, I'd send it to the client. I'd get them to approve it, or check their back of house system to ensure that they've put it into their point of sale. In this case, I've got access to that. So hopefully that's been helpful for you. Yeah, have a great day.